Tuesday, sponsored by TikTok.
All right, TikTokers are loving these right now, from smarter home swaps to skincare and self-care that make a real difference. Our friend Christine Lucida has TikTok's top picks today. And we're going to start with something that's going to help you with your clothes, but also the planet. This is really exciting for me. I love this.
It's a smarter and greener way to do laundry. I love it. These are called Reef Sheets. They're fully dissolving. They're 100% mess-free, and they're pre-measured, so you can do your laundry. And the best part is they're keeping plastic out of our landfills and oceans. They take up almost, no space, so no more of those big jugs and trying to find room for them.
So that takes place of the fabric softener, that big one. You just put this in the dryer.
And this is a washing machine.
Oh, this is in the washing machine.
Yeah, you throw it in, and look, this is so kid-friendly. Like, I'm putting my kids to work, right? It's time for them to do their own laundry. You toss it in, that's it. It suds up, it cleans so good, and it can travel so easily, Maria. It's absolutely amazing. You can drop this into your carry-on, and voila, you're not breaking any airline rules. So if you like to go to Airbnbs and travel.
That's right.
Right.
So it just dissolves. Great for the planet.
Exactly, we love it, and it's hyperallergenic and really formulated for sensitive skin. And smell these.
Wait, which flavors?
So amazing.
Like soap. Like good soap.
Yeah, so they come a little small if you have a small load, one for a bigger. We love it.
I like this one.
Yes.
Okay, from this to, of course, aging and